Hi, this is Gail Nettles with Beaded Jewelry Diva, and this is a real quick look at my new ebook tutorial that I have out. It's on odd count peyote, and I've called it The Odds Are in Your Favor. If you've always wanted to learn odd count peyote, this is your chance. I teach it in a way that it becomes easier to learn based on the lessons that you have. I teach you the basics of odd count peyote, and then I teach you how to go ahead and use it in various projects. So all of these are in the ebook. So we start out with the basic, well, I call this one Confetti Fun, and you learn how to do a kind of a freeform pattern for this one. And I do it this way because you don't have to worry about counting things and whatever to master the odd row turn. And that's the thing about odd row or odd count peyote that most people find so intimidating. I make it easy. Ha 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 ha. Here's another bracelet, basically the same thing. It has a different clasp to it, since this one has the tube clasp and this one has a button clasp. Then I have this one I called Slither, and I called it Slither because it is just slithery and slinky and a lot of fun. This one is using 2-hole beads, so this is a little bit different, doing odd count peyote with 2-hole beads. So it has a hook and eye clasp made in a kind of a unique way, so I'll show you how I did the hook and eye clasp. I also have the other part of Slither. This is the one where I changed it up some. I used some of the different beads. I used a different clasp. I used a magnetic clasp with a safety chain. Never have to worry about losing a bracelet again. So safety chain and a different kind of bead for Slither. Then we have There Be Dragons. Now I call this one There Be Dragons because, let's see if we can see it real well. These are the triangle beads that are out now. These are the 2-hole triangle beads. And I tell you, they're a little challenging to work with at first, but they give so much texture to these bracelets. It's just wonderful. And this one has this really cool check button clasp. I'll say that right. Say it 10 times fast, right. Simple peyote loop on this one. But this bracelet, I get a lot of compliments when I wear this one. And it's kind of great because you can also wear it with the clasp up, and it just looks like a part of the bracelet. I mean, it looks like the embellishment as opposed to the clasp. But the great part is I teach you how to do each one of these individually, so that if you like this clasp but you want it on this bracelet, or you like the embellishment on this one and you want it on that one, I teach it in a way that it's going to be pretty easy for you to go ahead and take any one of the embellishments of the clasps and put it on a different bracelet. I think that's really neat. So that's really it. The tutorial's on my website. There's a link. If you're not already on my website, there's a link on this YouTube video, and you can get it there. And I hope you'll come and see me, not only for the ebook, but just to come and take a look at the website, because I've got all sorts of other ebooks. I've got all sorts of freebie tutorials, a lot of neat stuff. So this is Gail Nettles, Beaded Jewelry Diva, signing off, and I hope you come and see me. Bye.